Aerial controls are located here. First we have our load chart, same one we looked at earlier. Inclinometer for degree of elevation, over here for your load chart. This is an NFPA 1911 identification placard. We recommend an annual inspection of the aerial, and that would be the information needed for that inspection. Warning items we talked about earlier, and then the caution to have your monitor in an upright stowed position before bedding into the boom support. Intercom system, you'll have your volume control. You will push the talk to communicate out to the tip operator. Theirs is open, so they have a volume control, but all they gotta do is talk to communicate back to you. Tracking lights at the end of the base section, your round chrome lights. This will be the master switch. They also have lights on the head, switches on the light head. Get high idle switch, 3-way linked with the 2 down below. Caution for stabilizer not fully extended. If one or more stabilizers short jack, that light will be on. This is my ladder illumination lighting. Rung alignment indicator when your rungs are aligned for safe climbing. Indicator test is a prove out circuit for my lights. And then again I have my EPU, emergency hydraulic power unit. Anytime I operate the controls from here, I will have to step on this dead man switch. So I'll operate the controls. If I need to operate with the EPU, I need to step on the dead man switch and operate the EPU and operate with these controls. When you need to step on the dead man switch to position your aerial. When you have it positioned, take your foot off the dead man. I like to put my foot on top of it. So if somebody says, hey Dave, and you lean down, you don't accidentally move those controls. So if you're off the dead man, the controls can't move. If you are stepping on it, they will move anytime you operate the controls. Monitor control, stream fog, left, right, and raise and lower here. You do not have power to these controls till the aerial does come out of the boom support. Waterway flow, 1,000 gallons per minute is your rate of flow. Total, if I push the total button, it will tell me the total gallons of water I did flow, and it says by 100, so multiply that number you see by 100. Hydraulic system pressure operates roughly from 400 up to 3,000. It just depends on how many functions you're operating, what you're doing at the time. In this compartment are the overrides for the rotation limit. They are labeled for the function on the door, which way they will go. Overrides are never intended to go to a short jack side of the truck or to an unsafe side. There may be a situation where the stabilizers are fully extended. During the time of operating, we had a proximity switch failure. What will happen is, when we attempt to bring the ladder back into the boom support to the safe side of the truck, it will stop us and not allow us to go there. The point that it would have stopped the ladder going out, if it were short jack, it will stop us on the way back. The system doesn't know which way you're going, it just knows if I send short jack, I stop at this point. So, we were fully extended, operating on my right side. We had a failure of a component. We come back basically about 3 degrees from the center. It's going to stop us. To get back, I would pull my left turn override. I will step on the dead man, operate back to the left, and it will allow me to clear that safety stop, or I can get the ladder back into the bed, get it safely into the bed. Again, the way they are labeled on the door is the way that you would operate.